What is up? Bo Leben with Feels Like Home Construction. You have the grumpy camera woman right behind you. We're married now, so I get to call her Leben. Let me show you. We're going to show you how to take up tile today. It's pretty simple as long as you have the right tools. I mean, sometimes you can use a hammer and crowbar, but we're out on that life. We like to make it easier on us. So let me show you the tool that she's going to be using today. This thing's like 200 bucks. We do a lot of demo jobs, so these things come in handy. It's a demo hammer, so whenever you're playing, it's bouncing back and forth. That's what makes it get the pop the brick loose from the thin set. But I'll get to the point. We'll show you how to get all this popped up in case you're going to do your home project, or you can just give us a call. We'll take care of it for you.
Alright, so pretty easy, just time consuming sometimes. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Bo Leben, Kendall Danae, Feels Like Home Construction. Go like our page, subscribe, follow us.